A very good morning, students. Today we will do page number 55 of chapter Robinson Crusoe. Question number 4. Use the joining words given below and join the sentences in column A and B. These are called joining words: or, and, so, but, because. We have to join the sentences of column A. This is column A and this is column B. We have to join the sentences of column A with column B and with joining words. Or means ya, and means or. In Hindi, and means or. In Hindi, or means ya. So means इसलिए. But means लेकिन. Because means क्योंकि. This is example given to you. I wrote the letter. This is option number 6. I wrote the letter, but we have joined with joining word but. This is sentence of column A and this is sentence of column B. I wrote the letter, but I forgot to post it. Second, now come to sentence first. I can sing well, but I can sing well, but we will join first with last one. I can't dance at all. I can't dance at all. Second, she wore a raincoat because it was raining. Join second with second. She wore a raincoat because, you will underline this joining word, because it was raining. It was raining. Third, we may go to Shimla or we may go to Darjeeling. We will not repeat we may go and we may go two times. We will write we may go only one time. We may go to Shimla or Darjeeling. Students, when there is something common in two sentences, we will use only one time. We may go to was there in sentence first also, and we may go to was there in sentence second also. So we will use we may go to only one time, not two time. या तो हम शिमला जाएंगे या दार्जिलिंग जाएंगे. Right? Fourth, he wanted a book for his birthday. He wanted a football for his birthday. He wanted a book for. What is common in these two sentences? He wanted. For his birthday. So we will use the common words only single time. So we will write like this. He wanted a book and a football for his birthday. We used the common words only one time. He wanted a book for his birthday was used only single time. And joining by and. उसको अपने बर्थडे के लिए बुक भी चाहिए थी और फुटबॉल भी चाहिए थी. और means and in English. Now come to fifth. He missed the school bus. He was late to school. He missed the school bus, so he was late to school. उसकी स्कूल बस मिस हो गई थी, इसलिए वो स्कूल के लिए लेट हो गया था. He missed the school bus, so he was late to school. Sixth is already done in example. So students, you will need to do this question in your notebook. Okay, now come to question number next. Fun time. Look at the footprint shown here. You can see there is a footprint here, footprint in a sand. Hint, this is a footprint of the first man on the moon. Which footprint is this? This is the footprint of a first man on the moon. Can you tell me who is the first man who stepped the first foot on the moon? You write the name of the man here. This is your homework. Just find out who is that man. Okay? Now turn the page. Page number 56. Question number 2. Let's create a pyramid. This is pyramid. We have to write 2-letter word, 3-letter word, 4-letter word, 5-letter word and 6-letter word. But according to this, a 2-letter word beginning with B. 2-letter word should begin with B only. You can write B-E, B, B-Y, by. Okay. Second, a 3-letter word beginning with C. You have to write a 3-letter word here, but it should begin with C. Cat, cow, car, whatever you like to write here, write it by yourself. Third, a 4-letter word beginning with D. You have to write a 4-letter word here beginning with D. You can write here deer, dove. Think of more words like this. A 5-letter word beginning with E. You have to write here a 5-letter word beginning with, it should start with, beginning means start. It should start with E. Eagle, empty. Think of more words like this. A 6-letter word beginning with F. Like friend, found, F-O-U-N-D. No, found is not 5-letter word. Friend is friend. Yes, friend is 6-letter word. You can write friend here. Do this question in your notebook also. So here our chapter ends. Tomorrow we will do this poem, Crying. Okay, that's all for the today. Thank you, and do the homework by today evening and send it in the group. Thank you. Have a nice day.